Dear students, welcome to our science class. Last class we discussed about the various zones of a flame, and a flame has a three zone. And that outermost zone is called a non-luminous zone. Then second one is luminous zone, and the third one is dark zone. Okay, in that non-luminous zone, the outermost thin transparent faint bluish part is called a non-luminous zone. It is the hottest zone of the flame. Okay, I think this one I forgot to explain. Why a goldsmith blow the outermost zone of a flame with a metallic blowpipe for melting gold and silver? What is the reason? Can you say? Yeah, we already told. And outermost zone of a flame is the hottest. That is why. In the goldsmith blow the outermost zone of a flame with a metallic blowpipe for melting gold and silver, because the outermost zone or non-luminous zone, it is the hottest zone of the flame. So the outermost zone of the flame is the hottest. That is why the goldsmith blow the outermost zone of a flame with a metallic blowpipe for melting gold and silver. Okay, dear children. Today we can discuss the next topic, fuel. I think this definition I already explained this one. What is a fuel? A fuel is a substance which may be burned to produce considerable heat without the formation of undesirable products. Called fuel. The example for fuel: charcoal, petrol, kerosene, LPG, etc. There are some example for fuel. The next topic is very important. What are the properties or what are the characteristics of a good fuel or a good fuel, or other name is ideal fuel? Okay, a good fuel should have some properties. What are the properties a good fuel or an ideal fuel have? First one is it is readily available. Second point is cheap. Then third point, it burns easily in air at a moderate rate. Fourth point, it produces large amount of heat. And fifth point, it does not leave any undesirable substance. Means, all fuel is not considered as an ideal fuel or good fuel, because all the fuel are not considered as an ideal fuel because they differ in their cost or availability, then the calorific value or efficiency, etc. Okay, a good fuel or ideal fuel should have readily available. First point is just to remember this point: readily available. Readily available means easily available. Okay. Then second point is cheap price. Then third point, it burns easily in air at a moderate rate. It produces large amount of heat. And the fifth point, it does not leave any undesirable substance. These are the main properties of a good fuel or a ideal fuel. The next one is the definition of ideal fuel. What is an ideal fuel? The fuel which fulfill all the requirements for the particular use is called an ideal fuel. What is an ideal fuel? The fuel which fulfill all the requirements for the particular use is called an ideal fuel. All the fuels are not considered as an ideal fuel because I already explained, because they differ in their cost, then efficiency, availability, leaving undesirable substance, etc. I already explained what are the properties or what are the characteristics of an ideal fuel or a good fuel. So it should have readily available. It is a cheap. It burns easily in air at a moderate temperature or moderate rate. It produces a large amount of heat and it does not leave any undesirable substance. These are the main characteristics of an ideal fuel. So all the fuels are not considered as an ideal fuel because they differ in their cost, efficiency. Efficiency means calorie value, okay? Efficiency, availability, leaving undesirable substance, etc. What is an ideal fuel? And the fuel which fulfill all the requirements for the particular use is called an ideal fuel. Can you say that some for ideal fuel? Yeah, CNG is the best example for an ideal fuel. The next topic is calorific value. This definition is also very important, but it's a calorific value and it's a unit. Okay, in the amount of heat energy produced on complete combustion of 1 kilogram of fuel is called as calorific value. What is a calorific value? The amount of heat energy produced. Heat energy produced on complete combustion of 1 kilogram of a fuel is called its calorific value, and its unit is kilojoule per kilogram. Okay, so unit of calorific value kilojoule per kilogram, kg per kg, kj per kg. Okay, the calorific value is different for different fuel. There's this the one table is given in your textbook, page number 73. From this figure, you can clearly understand calorific value is different for different substance. When 7 or 10 different fuels are given, and its idea calorific value also given. Okay, yes, just to go through this textbook also. Okay. From this table, you can clearly understand calorific value is different for different fuels. So, what is the calorific value? The amount of heat energy produced on complete combustion of 1 kilogram of fuel is called as a calorific value, and its unit is kilojoule per kg or kj per kg. The next topic is also very important. Burning is yeah, this is the last topic of this lesson. Okay, burning of fuel leads to harmful products. In the harmful products formed by the burning of fuels are as follows. In that first one is carbon fuel release unburned carbon particles, which are dangerous pollutants that cause respiratory disorder, respiratory disorder or respiratory diseases such as asthma. Then second point, incomplete combustion of carbon fuel gives carbon monoxide. It is a poisonous gas that can even kill a person sleeping in a closed room. Third one, it causes global warming. What is global warming? In the combustion of fuels, release carbon dioxide in the environment or in the atmosphere, which when the percentage of carbon monoxide increases in the atmosphere and makes the Earth's surface hot. It is believed to cause what global warming. Second reason is cause of global warming. Cause of global warming. Third point. Okay. So what is global warming? The combustion of fossil fuel release carbon dioxide. When the percentage of carbon dioxide increases in the atmosphere and makes the Earth's surface hot, it is called global warming. And fourth point, it causes acid rain. In the gases like nitrogen oxide, then sulfur dioxide, etc., are present in the atmosphere as pollutants. When these gases dissolve in rainwater, it forms acids, and when it reaches to the earth as rain, it is called acid rain. What is acid rain? How this acid rain form? And the gases like nitrogen oxide, sulfur dioxide, etc. are present in the atmosphere as pollutants. When these gases dissolve in rainwater, it forms acids, and when it reaches to the earth as rain, it is called acid rain. Okay, burning of fossil fuels leads to harmful products. And the first one is uh, carbon fuels release unburned carbon particles, which are dangerous pollutants that cause respiratory disorder such as asthma. Then second point, incomplete combustion of carbon fuel gives carbon monoxide. So it is a very poisonous gas that even kill a person sleeping in a closed room. And third one, it causes global warming. And fourth point is it causes acid rain. I already explained what is global warming and acid rain. The next topic is not it's a continuation of this burning of fuels leads to harmful products. In that, how we can reduce or compared to diesel and petrol, how this CNG is preferable for vehicles in respect to petrol and diesel. I think this is the fifth lesson. We already studied the what we can say. We already studied what are the advantages of CNG? We already studied in the fifth lesson. Okay. So why CNG is preferable for vehicles in respect to petrol and diesel? First point, it leaves least residue or least unwanted substance. Then second point, it is cheaper compared to other fuel. It is almost cheaper. Then third point, it is eco-friendly, and last point, CNG has high calorific value. So CNG is preferable for vehicles in respect to petrol and diesel. Dear children, so this lesson also almost finished. Then next class we can discuss the exercise part also. So dear children, this chapter is very important also. So all of you carefully read your textbook also. Okay. So I checked your answer sheet. I find out one thing, no, it's a lack of text reading. I think, okay. So all of you carefully read your textbook and definition you study by heart. Okay, remaining points you can write your own words, but the definition you study by heart, and carefully you read the textbook. Then only you can attend to the fill in the blanks, match the following like that question. Only you can carefully read. Then only you can attend to these kinds of question. Okay, dear children. So once again, I remind you, all of you carefully read the textbook. Okay, thank you.